big, small, hot, cold, black, white, tall, short, contrast. In this lesson, we're going to look at the differences between but, however, even though, and though. Contrast. Hi, I'm Nessa, and this is ESL Top 10. To help us for this lesson, we are going to use two clauses. Here they go. I missed my bus this morning is the first clause. I got to work on time is the second clause. Now we're going to be putting these two clauses together using these different ways of showing contrast. But, however, even though, and though. Let's start with but. First, you need to ask yourself which part of the sentence, which clause is giving me the background information, and which part is showing the contrast, the unexpected, or the surprise. But is used with the contrast. So I could put these two clauses together in the same sentence using but, and it would look like this. I missed my bus this morning, but I got to work on time. So but is a conjunction. It goes in the middle of the two clauses, but it goes with the contrast. How about however? Well, however normally begins the second sentence, but it also goes with the contrast. And unlike but, it is more formal. So your sentence would look like this. I missed my bus this morning, full stop, period. However, comma, I got to work on time. Phew. Now, how about even though and a synonym for it, although? So again, ask yourself which part of the sentence is giving me the background information. Although and even though goes with the background information. So your sentence would look like this. Even though I missed the bus this morning, I got to work on time. Phew. Or I could replace even though with although. Although I missed the bus this morning, I got to work on time. Pretty cool, right? How about though? Well, though is the most common in spoken or informal English. And usually it goes at the very end of the second clause. So it goes like this. I missed my bus this morning, period. I got to work on time though. Pretty awesome, I can't believe it. So though, usually, again, in informal English, goes at the very end to show contrast. And in texts or very informal written English, sometimes it's spelt like this. But be careful, that's not grammatically correct. I am going to give you two clauses right now, and I want you to write 4 sentences. The first one using but, the second one using however, the third one even though, and your last one with though. And watch your punctuation. Punctuation can really make a difference in your written English. So here are the 2 clauses. It's raining out. I'm going to go for a jog. I encourage you to post your sentences below so you can get a bit of feedback. Don't forget your freebie for this lesson. In the freebie, you are going to see more examples using these 4 ways to show contrast, plus some other common phrases and words we use to show contrast, like while, whereas, nevertheless, on the other hand. You can get your freebie by checking the links below. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. I would love to have you join our community of English superstars. And I will see you next week right back here on ESL Top 10.